Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepshan Abhijit Muli. Today's date is 29th of November 2021 and today's our discussion topic is discussion about the interface. So before starting our today's discussion topic, firstly I will introduce myself. My name is Abhijit Dattatreya Mulik. I am from Kalam district Usmanabad. I had completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from GH Rai Soni College of Engineering and Management Wagoli Pune and also completed my diploma in mechanical engineering from Sweris College of Engineering and Polytechnic Pandharpur. That's all about me. So now we will discuss about the interface. That is the today's our discussion topic. So before starting an interface, firstly we will talk about an abstraction, and in abstraction then there is a one interface that concept come, then we will talk about it. So in interface there are the method present in an interface are completely abstract methods. That is the abstract methods means they have no body, only the implementation is shown of that particular method. And if you talk about an interface, at interface concept there must be an inheritance concept also be included. Why? Because if you talk about an interface, the method present in an interface are completely abstract methods, means there is no body of that particular method. To create body of that particular methods present in an interface, that is the abstract method, they must be extended in another class or another interface, another class, to give the body of that particular methods present in an interface. That's why for that particular reason the inheritance concept will come to create a body of that particular methods present in an interface. So now we will see about the difference between an interface and abstraction. There is an abstract in an abstract class there is a keyword used to declare method as an abstract, that is the abstract keyword is used. But in case of an interface, that keyword is not used, that is the abstract keyword is not used, just the method method implementation is terminated by using that semicolon. That is the difference between the abstraction and interface, that is the abstract class or interface. In interface, all the methods present in that interface are completely abstract methods. Only and only abstract methods are present in that interface. No concrete method will be present in that interface. And if you talk about an abstract class, there may be an concrete method also present, or the abstract method also be present. Means if there is no any method, that is abstract method present in that abstract class, then the abstraction achieved is of 0%, because there is no any abstract methods present in that abstract class. But if you talk about an interface, all the methods present in an interface are abstract methods. That's why we can achieve 100% abstraction in case of the interface. But in case of the abstract class, we can achieve abstraction from 0% to the 100%. That's the difference between abstract class and interface. So if we compare abstract class and interface, the abstract class is faster than the interface. And in abstract class, both the static and non-static methods also present in that in the abstract class. But in case of that interface, we can't use that static methods, only the non-static methods present in that interface. That's the main difference between the abstract class and interface. Now we will talk about the access modifier used in the interface. It's only and only public access modifier is used in case of that interface. But if you talk about an abstract class, all the access modifier will be used in that interfaces. That's the difference between the abstract class and the interface. So that's all about our today's discussion topic. Thank you.